Merdeka!
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 Indonesia!
Penjajah!
Indonesia!
Penjajah!
Indonesia!
Penjajah!
Aceh!
Merdeka!
Aceh!
Merdeka!
Aceh!
Merdeka!
Papua!
Merdeka!
Papua!
Merdeka!
Papua!
Merdeka!
Maluku!
Merdeka!
Maluku!
Merdeka!
Mina!
Korea!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kamu keluarga raya ASNLF Denmark dan Aceh Sumatera Kultur di Denmark, kamu pesampo ke Mandung Urang Aceh atau bangsa Aceh dan masyarakat dunia yang merayakan Hari Raya Idul Adha 1440 Muahdasya lahir dan batin. Aceh merdeka. Maluku merdeka. Papua merdeka. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Aceh
Merdeka!
Aceh
Merdeka!
Aceh
Merdeka! Papua!
Merdeka!
Papua!
Merdeka!
Papua!
Merdeka!
Maluku!
Merdeka!
Maluku!
Merdeka!
Maluku!
Merdeka!
Supaya itu pulih bangsa Papua, bangsa Maluku dan bangsa-bangsa lain. Kami atas nama Aceh Sumatera National Liberation Front dan Aceh Sumatera Kultur di Denmark, kami berdiri 3 bendera yang membuktikan atas kerjasama kami untuk memerdekakan negeri kami, yaitu Maluku, Aceh dan Papua. Kami mempunyai hak untuk merdeka di tanah kami sendiri, yaitu Aceh, Papua dan Maluku. Dan hal itu tidak melanggar dengan hukum PBB, hukum bangsa-bangsa dan begitu juga dengan hukum Indonesia. Karena tertulis dalam Undang-Undang 45, di pembukaan undang-undang tertulis yaitu kemerdekaan itu ialah hak segala bangsa dan penjajahan di atasnya harus dihapuskan karena tidak sesuai dengan pri kemanusiaan dan pri keadilan. Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Aceh!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Maluku!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Free Papua!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
ASNLF Denmark Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dear my respected and most beloved Achenese brothers and sisters around the world, we, the voice of Achenese women in exile, have gathered here to remember the catastrophe that occurred in Aceh, namely at Arakundo, Idijut, 23 years ago. Even though we have been away from our homeland for more than 2 decades, on February 3rd, this memory remains vivid in our minds with the lives of dozens of Achenese brothers and sisters were senselessly slaughtered by the colonial troops of Indonesia. The savagery will never be forgotten until justice is served. The heinous massacre by the Indonesian military against the people of Aceh on February 3, 1999 in Idijut was very surreal as if those atrocious acts were carried out by beings that are inhuman. This idea that human beings can create such a chaos and massacre so many is a concept that we still cannot grasp. The event of massacre took place in the darkness of night with no warning to the people of the village. Later, to remove the traces and evidence of the heinous crimes, the bodies of our brothers were put in burlap sacks and then thrown into the Arakundo River, sadistic and barbaric beyond the rationale of any human being. The lives of Achenese are viewed with a great contempt by the Indonesian military. Brothers and sisters of the Achenese warriors, wherever you are, until this moment, justice for the victim has not been fulfilled. Not even a single perpetrator from the Indonesian military has never been brought to justice. There is not even an independent fact-finding team initiated to solve the Arakundo strategy. The fact that it has been decades and the Indonesian leadership continues to change yet nothing has been resolved. They're all the same in reality. They're all invaders from the senior military, regard to the President of Indonesia. Therefore, the voice of Achenese women in exile from Darhat, Danish capital, would like to extend our call to all Achenese diaspora, wherever you are. We must once again learn from our warriors' experiences to never trust Indonesian leadership. It is evident that the Indonesian government has no intention of resolving human rights issues in a dignified manner. The ferocity will never be forgotten. These atrocities against humanity that must be eradicated from the face of the earth. Furthermore, it should be understood that the Arakundo strategy is not the only one of humanity strategies. There are many other strategies that were just